This is Kiwi.
Whoa!
And he is like my closest friend. We're like this.
Yeah. Wow. What? So tell me a little bit about Kiwi.
So,
you guys go way back?
Oh yeah. So
Okay.
a couple years back,
Yeah.
me and Kiwi. I was in the Amazon jungle,
Okay.
and as I was walking through, I started singing a worship song and started dancing and singing just like we were doing a second ago.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, this bird swooped down.
Whoa.
This guy.
Yeah.
And he started dancing and singing with me, and ever since we've been really tight. So he's from the Amazon. He's a parrot.
Okay.
And I have a couple questions.
Yeah.
So he's a very skilled bird. So, how many of you guys can skateboard? Can any of you guys skateboard? No? Oh, we got some friends over here. I can't. But Kiwi is a master at skateboarding.
What?
Legitimately, he is really good.
Wow, that's crazy.
But-
Does he have any other talents?
There's more.
Okay.
So, I have a car. I can drive. Can you drive?
Yeah, I can drive.
Okay. How many? Can any of you guys drive? Or okay. All the adults in the room can, because you guys are. Well, fun fact: Kiwi is actually 16 years old and can drive a car. He's been behind the wheel, so he knows what he's doing.
That's impressive. Does he have any other talent? I feel like there's more.
There is one more talent that is very special. Like I said, when I was worshiping in the rainforest, Kiwi came down and sang and danced with me, and I think we should see that today. Do you guys want to see him sing and dance?
Oh, I
What?
just
Do you have a song?
the idea. What
What?
if we played Church Clap?
Oh,
I think we need to play us
that
some
is
Church
one of the
Clap.
best songs. All right,
Okay.
let's hear it.
Okay,
All right,
let's play
Kiwi,
it.
are you ready? Oh, he's ready. Here we go. All right, let's do it.
All right. Okay, come on, friends. Let's just stand up to our feet. Let's all stand to our feet. Cheer on Kiwi.
Come on, Kiwi.
We gotta do it together.
Oh,
Flutter it a little bit.
oh, he's flapping a little bit.
Oh, very nice. Going off the wings.
Yeah, come on, Kiwi. Get into it. Whoa!
Awesome. You got that fluttering pattern.
Wow, I am so glad Kiwi made it today.